Hi, I'm Max.
What's up? I'm Abdul.
Hi, I'm Giorgi. We are a group of Hoover students with different cultures, different talents and abilities.
And different interests, but there is something we're all interested in, and that's the Hoover Husky Time Excursion program.
Now, we've taken it upon ourselves to get to the bottom of what Hoover Husky Time really is,
How it works.
and its impacts on the student body.
We've created this thrilling video, which we like to call
The Hoover Husky Time Excursion.
So here's how it works. Hoover is compiled of 1,200 students, and each of these students is an individual, right?
Right, and that means that each student acts differently, thinks differently, and learns differently. So why teach each student the same, provide no breaks for understanding the material, and have no multi-tiered system of support? We didn't know the answer either. Hoover has completely changed this excursion system, providing support for individuals. The entire thing is student-driven.
So, at the beginning of the year, students are assigned to teachers in groups of roughly 15. These teachers are known as the home base. This is where students will be at the beginning, middle, and end of the year, as well as for 3 days in between each excursion. Why? This is where students will learn about their community, as well as the culture and climate of Hoover High School. It provides another medium for students to work on being well-rounded and well-versed in every aspect of society, mostly building up students to be culturally proficient. This also creates a connection and relationship bound on mutual trust and respect that will last for years.
Now, let's get into the good stuff. What exactly are excursions?
An excursion is a 12-day crash course in a topic of the student's choice. The topics range from college connections, where students worked on completing their FAFSA and applying for college, to flight school, where students understood the physics of how planes and other aircraft work, to ramen nom nom nom, where, you guessed it, students experiment with different types, flavors, and recipes of ramen noodles.
But the most important thing that Husky Time has to offer is skill builders. According to M.T.S.S, multi-tiered systems of support, while in this excursion process, 20% of students should be working on actual classwork with their teachers. See, this provides an extra safety net to catch students who may not have the highest topic scores and turn them around onto the right track. This kind of system not only encourages harder working students, but harder working, more dedicated teachers. Teachers are having their grades in weekly, if not daily, to check and see which kids they would like to pull into the skill builder for the next round.
But how do I sign up? On the second day with their home-based teachers, students are prompted to log on to the Husky Time website, where they are able to browse for and select their next excursion. Students are also asked to submit feedback about their last excursion by answering a series of questions. This is the same website and process that a teacher will use when selecting a student for their skill builder. The school has responded extremely well to this new system. Husky Time attendance is at an all-time high, students seem happier, topic scores are improving, and the change in the culture and climate of Hoover has been immense. The short story is, the system is working, and the metrics of its success are cold, hard facts. The beauty of the whole thing is that it's all student-driven, and coming from 4 Hoover students, that should mean a lot. Husky Time is a huge success.